My name is Singh Robin. I am from Thane, Maharashtra. Currently, I am placed in a company called Superprocure. Currently working as a SD1 in that company. I like the curriculum actually. The curriculum is so well designed that what are the things which is required in the company now. They teach us that thing only. So in colleges during our engineering, we used to learn several subjects that were not of use in the actual life. So it was actually, I think, waste of time. Masai school is not like that. They are teaching us that thing only which is industrial oriented. Most best part of the Masai school is CSBT. It actually develop our personal skills and my technical skills also. What Masai can do, they can teach us many things, but if we are not doing anything by our own, then we will not get exposure about the industry. Means what is going on in the industry. Construct will help us a lot, give us the knowledge about how to do our job in the industry. So Construct will taught us what we will face in the practical life. So it was the best part of Masai. Yeah. The main difference of Masai and other educational institute is Masai is totally industrial oriented. Means they teach us that thing only that comes in our industry. CSBT part of the Masai is the best thing because we can get knowledge from anywhere. From YouTube also we can get the knowledge. But talking about our personal skills, we cannot improve our personal skills without anyone's guidance. So that was the best part about Masai. They took care of every student individually about their personal skills. So that was the best part.